Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest Fiverr gig ever. And for this Fiverr gig, you don't even need any special skills because we are going to use a free AI. So when you come here on Fiverr and when you search, for example, Figma, here you will see that first suggestion is Figma to HTML. When you click here, you will see there is 24,000 results. Now that is a medium competition on Fiverr. But when you scroll here, you will see this guy here is charging $350 US, $50 US, $50 US, $60 US, and so on and so on. But when you scroll up here again, you will see 80 reviews, 399 reviews, more than 1,000 reviews. So this person here, this guy here, he made more than $50,000 US by offering this service here. And you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually do that? I don't know any HTML, I don't know how to code. Well, luckily for you, we live in AI age. So what you need to do? You need to go on website called Lockify. And here you need to click on try for a free beta. Now currently this is free, but later it will probably be paid. Now that is not the problem because there are many free plugins like this that you can use to convert Figma to HTML or CSS. Now here you can register with a Gmail account, with GitHub, or you can simply add your email, password and retype password. Click here on sign up and you will sign up. After that you will come to your dashboard and this is how your dashboard will look. Now when you are registering, you will need to answer on some questions like, for example, how did you hear for us? Are you a freelancer or a company? What softwares do you use for design? You will obviously choose Figma. What do you wish to do with Lockify? You obviously wish to convert Figma to HTML and CSS, and so on and so on. Now after that you need to go on Figma and you need to register for account on Figma. And you will come to your dashboard. Now what you need to do, you need to click here on create new. And then you need to click here on design a file, okay? And you need to design a file. This is how it looks. And you need, after that, you need to go back here on your dashboard. After that, you need to mark that file. You need to mark that new campaign that you created, for example, this one here. And then you need to click here on import and then click here on import from computer. And you need to import Figma file that your client sent you. And after that, when you open this, for example, here you can see how this looks. Usually you will see Lockify plugin here on the right side. Now first you will need to add Lockify plugin to your Figma account. Now to do that you need to click here and then go here on plugins, then click here on manage plugins and then simply here in search bar search for Lockify, okay? And here you can see Lockify. Click on it, install it, and that's it. I already did that and here you can see I already have my Lockify, and when I click here, I can actually convert this Figma file into an HTML. Of course, you will need to do some setups. Just click here on sync to builder, and that's it. This can take up to a few minutes. Sometimes, depending on the size of that Figma file, it can take 15, even 20 minutes. Now, after Lockify finished synchronizing to builder, you will be automatically redirected to your Lockify dashboard. And this is how your Lockify dashboard will look now. And here you can see, and this is my Figma file, here you can see, and here you can see HTML code for that Figma file. And here you can actually change something, you can fix something. If there are any errors, I would strongly suggest to actually check out everything before you send it to your client. Now you can send it to your client by simply copying this, or you can simply click here on sync and export and then click here export project and export this project to your desktop and then simply go back here on Fiverr and send it to your client, and your client can later send it to his designer, developer, or whoever he wants, or he can simply install it directly to his WordPress hosting. It doesn't really matter. This is how you do it. As you can see, really simple, really easy. Literally anybody can do this and you don't need any special skills for this Fiverr gig. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.